We have bonds that we own that are paying us interest. So we're going to project interest revenue for the year. And we're also going to layer in an additional bond purchase in September and layer in the interest income related to that bond as well. The $15 million in bonds that we currently own are yielding 5.5%. In our year-to-date results, we are taking the interest revenue that we are receiving, and you'll notice in this example, you'll see the monthly interest change a little bit. I'm using 365 days, so depending on how many days are in the month, you'll see interest up or down based upon those. Also, in this example, I'm layering in an additional $500,000 bond that we purchased in September, and it's yielding 6.5%. So we're going to add that to our revenue projection. Let's run out the $50 million bond at 5.5% interest for the rest of the year. And then let's also layer in that $500,000 6.5% bond and add those two together. And that is going to give me my interest revenue, or my projected interest revenue for the rest of the year, which is $835,000 in interest revenue.